I'm on my way down to Ocean Drive, but things are wild and crazy right here at Lincoln Road and Collins Avenue. So as I walk, we might as well film, eh? Let's go. We're heading south on Collins Avenue. There's I Love Liquor, I Heart Liquor, whatever you call it. Look at the size of that pizza. That pizza bar got the biggest slices. Oh, look at there. What do we got there? The size does matter at the pizza bar. Look at the size of them pizzas. Yeah, Miami Beach is, South Beach is alive and well this weekend. All the late night nightclubs are open. The curfews are all over. Everything's open. But yeah, it's going to take us a little while to walk down to, get all the way down to Ocean Drive. Well, at least down to the good part of Ocean Drive. Let's say 7 to 11th Street. Oh, you got any room for one more in there?
Yeah, but are we safe? He just said kind of hairy.
They are packed in there. I hope they don't hit anything.
I didn't think there would be another one.
So we got a lot of people heading north on Collins Avenue. They're going away from the beach, getting back to their hotels. Here we're at the Lowe's. Sorry about the bouncy camera. There goes the valet, gonna run to get a car. The beautiful Lowe's. You got money? Stay here. It's better than the Ritz-Carlton and cheaper. If you ain't got money, stay down the street and come and visit.
Yeah.
And the Royal Palm. Yeah, if you don't have money, stay at the Royal Palm. It's at least $300 cheaper per night. What do I know? I never stay at these places, but I do frequently look up the prices of the rooms to see how crowded things are down here. And this weekend, everything pretty much sold out because the prices are way up if you want to get a room for tonight. There's a trolley. I used to love to ride the trolley, free trolley. But during COVID times, they closed the damn thing off, and now they just got very limited schedule. And we got all kinds of crazy drivers out here on Collins. I'm thinking I was gonna hang a left here and go down to the Ocean Drive and walk. But let's keep on Collins, because I'm thinking there's some shenanigans going to be on Collins as we go down here. There's Virginia. Virginia in the house. Let's see, what that place there. They got a lot of Haddon Hall. I don't know about that one. Got a lot of those three-wheelers out here. The two-wheelers and the three-wheelers. People rent them and they're not professional. They don't really know how to drive them and they wreck them, and that's a problem. You got to really be careful down here if you're walking anywhere near them. One of them little motor scooters, a lady ran into me last year. It was no fun. But she didn't know no better. They didn't teach her nothing. Oh, look at this that's a nice vet, huh? It was plenty of sunshine today, and I don't know, here on the beach it got up to, God, at least 86, 87 with all that sunshine, and the breeze was mild, so it was, and the humidity was up. If you weren't in or near the water, you were fucking hot today if you were in the sun. Same way, we got about 3, 4, 5 days coming up of near 90 degrees. Of course, inland Miami gets much hotter and much more humid than here on the beach. So, always milder here on the beach. Oh, there goes the bicycle. They usually come in groups. There they go. Oh yeah, a whole bunch of them coming. Let's see if we can take some protection here behind the Toyota. Let's see how many of them are coming. Woo! Oh, and look at this fancy Jeep thing. Oh, we saw him yesterday. Hey-oh! Oh yeah. They're all right if they're not causing any traffic problems, but I've seen them cause a lot of traffic problems, and we had a couple of videos where somebody was telling them to get the fuck out of their way, and they all got off their bikes and beat the fucking shit out of him. There's a slingshot. I guess they rent them overnight. I thought they just rented them for an hour or two. Riding around this fucking away. Okay, we're at the Walgreens, which means we must be at 14th Street. No, sure enough, it's 14th Street. Salt Cafe. Yeah, it's Saturday night. I really got to keep my wits about me here. I don't want to get run over. There's plenty crowded down here. And you know how the crazy cars drive on Collins Avenue. There's the Rock. It used to be Rock Hostel. Because of the pandemic, all these hostels, they used to have dormitory style rooms. They had to convert them into just regular rooms. They couldn't have the dormitories where they had people from different families staying in the same room because of the COVID. So I know that, and the Miami International Hostel, which is down on 11th Street, and 920 Collins. Those all three were converted. They're all owned by the same company, Loki or something like that. I know they converted all theirs to regular rooms rather than dormitories, and a lot of them got you got the stench of the homeless as you walk by this parking garage here. There's Popo. But yeah, some of those rooms at those Hostel, now they got refrigerators and stoves and kitchenettes, and they nice places to stay, other than their clientele and the bars below and everything. It makes it noisy and but yeah, what used to be completely off limits dormitories for me are now, hey, they're in the mix. If they get the right price, I'd stay at them, because they got private rooms with kitchenettes and refrigerators. That's all I need. I need a good bed, a TV, and a kitchenette and a refrigerator, and I'm good to go. I don't like eating at all these restaurants down here. I like cooking myself and drinking my liquor I buy down at the Total Wine and Liquor Store, cheapest place in town, down at 5th and Alton. All right, we're making our way down to 12th Street now. So we are getting near the thick of the, what do you want to call it? The thick of the entertainment district, or you want to call it we're getting down to the crime zone, the crime area. I don't know, police here seem to have some sort of incident happened at the Osteria del Teatro Restaurante. I don't know. Definitely a party atmosphere. It's Saturday, 7:30-ish. I think we need a few more surf-style shops in town. What do you think? One on every corner. It's worse than CVS. Fares and parking fees resume June 1st. It said on the front of that bus. I have to check that out. What does that mean? I guess the free bus rides and the free parking and things like that are all going to be. Oh, see there, even a bicycle, you could get hurt really bad if she ran into you. Okay, we're right at the hour of the night where the neon lights of South Beach Art Deco District are going to be coming on. So maybe we'll get some good views before we head on out to Ocean Drive. Here's my old hangout, 11th Street liquor store. Oh, just for old time's sake, let's see. Oh yeah, let's cross. Oh no, we better not. We better not. We'll just keep going. Let's see. Because 8 o'clock, but now that we're in the entertainment, there's a nice looking Audi, wow. when you're in the entertainment district, which is 5th Street to 15th Street or so, there's a Lamborghini. The liquor stores close at 8 o'clock. If you're outside the entertainment district, let's say down by 5th Street or up on Lincoln Road, liquor stores can stay open till midnight. So anyway, I was over the past many years when I was down here, I was always reminding people, hey, buy your liquor before 8 o'clock. People are like, why do we gotta? Here's the International, Miami Beach International Hostel. It used to be the Hostel. Now it's now they got regular rooms in there, no dormitories. A lot of drunk people down here, and we better look out. We better keep our shit together tonight. He might run us over.
I know it.
Oh, and there's the Fairwind. Look at on top of the roof. They got the pool on the rooftop up there. Corvette there.
I got strawberry what?
Okay, looks like the road crew's got to do something here. This sidewalk's all fucked up. All right, 10th Street. We have made it to 10th Street. That's progress. So down there is the Clevelander, the Art Deco Welcome Center. You can see traffic is all tied up because they got everything all messed up down here with the buses and everything running on Collins. Get me a Mercedes like that. That look nice. That look nice. Whoa!
That was close. Where you want me to go?
Oh. A lot of them slingshots everywhere. Everywhere. They must not be very much to rent a slingshot. I don't know. Everybody's got them.
It was your baby. You have to make a reservation.
And I got the Franklin building all boarded up down there. Over there, the Franklin building. Oh, it sounds like a party going on down here or something. I don't know. Oh, they're just dancing in the middle of the street. It's a stop and drop. They were dancing all over that Jeep. And now here you got you hear the po-po sirens coming now. Eighth Street we're coming up on. Should we cut down on 8th Street or should we go to 7? Let's cut down on 8th Street. I don't know, maybe we ought to follow this group of girls. They are out to party and making noise, and they're ready to dance on some cars. Alright, what we're going to do is we are going to cut off the video now. We're going to say, hey, that was Collins, and I'll give it a half hour or so, and then I'm going to... Boy, they got some fancy vehicles here. There you go to Popo. I'll come, my walk back will be on Ocean Drive. You can check it out about 8 o'clock on Ocean Drive. We'll see you soon.